So we were chatting just a little bit earlier about, why Lake Charles. It's, because we have that kind of oddly shared history of my former law partner, Perry Sanders, who founded Sanders Law Firm, originally founded his firm in Lake Charles. So my last law firm had an office in Lake Charles, and so we don't run across people very often in Lake Charles, but we found you there.
Yeah, so I am originally from South Texas, from a city called McAllen, Texas, and it's a border town. Not many people know about it, so I usually just say South Texas, even though they think it's San Antonio. But I moved to Lake Charles once I graduated high school in 2015, just, kind of to get away, start a new life. And I went to college at McNeese for a few years. It did get a bit hard working full-time and being a full-time student, so I kind of took a break and prioritized just kind of making a living. So for a while, I worked at the casino in Lake Charles, and that's where I met my husband. And then I started working for an immigration law firm there, doing pretty much like the business immigration side. So I was in charge of H-2 visas, which is agricultural visas or non-agricultural visas for like landscaping. And that was really fulfilling. The only thing was I didn't really get to work so much one-on-one with the foreign nationals, which I definitely identify with being Hispanic. So after a while, it was just kind of time to find something else and just kind of feel like I'm making a little bit more of a difference. So then that's when I landed with Angela Jones and her firm in a totally different area of law. But I'm really excited to learn more about family law and continue being a legal assistant of service. But yeah.
Yeah. Well, and one of the things that we're really focused on, we initially started Brighter Day Law, and when we developed our initial tagline, it's a family-focused law practice. And the reason, I chose that is because although we did, your traditional divorces, custody, protection order cases, things like that, I always had a heart to serve the needs of families in general. And immigration services are a huge part of that. And I had a professor in law school. His name was LeClaire, and he was from South Carolina. He used to say, the law is a seamless web. And it's very, very true in the family arena. I started working with business and commercial firms, but I found that I wanted to be client-facing, like you're talking about.